Tim Nelson here, Encore Packaging, and today we're looking at our 5957 SA unit internal pull paper dispenser. Here we've loaded a roll of 15-inch paper into the unit here. It comes with either tabletop or the ability here to adjust to a table, or we have a little stand that it can sit on. But it's very versatile, and it can turn actually at 360 degrees, both this way and that way, so you can really control your flow of your paper. It comes with a joystick, a foot pedal, or a push button. In this case, we're going to look at the joystick. And you just see how nicely that comes out of the machine, and then you can use it to pack. It has an easy tear mechanism on it there, and you can just does a really nice job filling your void fill for you with great Kraft paper. The EP5957 SA unit, made right here in Encore Packaging, made in the USA. Thank you very much. Tim Nelson here from Encore Packaging, and today we're looking at the loading of our SA unit. And just show you how simple it is. Right here we have a little handle that will open and shut the throat of the unit itself, and you can just take your paper, put it up, pull a little bit out, push it through the back, and then you just reach inside, grab the paper, pull it through, bring the handle forward, and then you can spit out your paper. And you just see how easy and fast that is. Tim Nelson, Encore Packaging, EP5957 SA unit, made right here in the USA by Encore Packaging.